Hrithik Roshan is at the Mumbai Police Commissioner's office. Hrithik was summoned by the Mumbai Crime Branch's intelligence unit to record his statement in the 2016 Hrithik Roshan versus Kangana Ranaut email case about fake emails in his name to Kangana Ranaut. In 2016, Roshan had filed a complaint alleging that someone had been impersonating him and was emailing actor Kangana Ranaut from a bogus email ID. Kangana had then claimed that the email ID was provided to her by Roshan and they had been communicating through the same email ID till the year 2014. Then in 2016, Roshan had sent a legal notice to Kangana as she had referred to him as a silly ex. From now, but there was Hrithik Roshan who's just left the commissioner's office there, the press trying to get a word from him, but he did not speak. Well, in his complaint in 2016, he had said that his email ID, in fact, somebody was impersonating as him and sending emails to Kangana Ranaut. Saurabh was there getting us, and he's there with us even now, getting us more details. Saurabh, we heard your report very briefly wherein you said that Hrithik has not spoken to the press, but get us more details about what this particular meeting was about, given the fact that this is a more than a 4-year-old case, isn't it?
Absolutely, Sneha. This case dates back to 2014, let me tell you. Initially, there was a lot of ugly spat between Kangana Ranaut and Hrithik Roshan. Several legal notices were exchanged between both the film stars. Now, what actually allegations were made by Kangana Ranaut that it was Hrithik Roshan who was chatting with her on email. They were exchanging several mails. Now, what Hrithik Roshan filed a complaint with Mumbai Police in 2014. His allegations were very clear that it was not him. Someone was using a very similar email ID which the actor has, and that email ID was actually having chats with Kangana Ranaut. The matter went to Mumbai Police. Later it was transferred to the Cyber Crime Branch. Hrithik Roshan also alleged that the particular email ID, the person is sitting in foreign land and nothing to do with him. But Kangana Ranaut maintained that no, it was only Hrithik Roshan who was chatting with her. So later on, there was nothing happening in this whole case. Last year in December, Sneha, this particular case was transferred to CI unit, but they were busy with some other case. But now the case has been opened at completely. They are investigating the whole case very thoroughly, and therefore today actor Hrithik Roshan was called by the CI official for questioning. Over 2 hours the questioning took place, Sneha, at the Mumbai Police Crime Branch office at the headquarters in Crawford Market. Very specifically, the sources have told us it was Hrithik Roshan who had to prove that it was not him, it was someone else who was chatting with Kangana Ranaut. So now what all statement Hrithik Roshan has given, that will be properly analyzed, and after which, if necessary, Kangana Ranaut may also be summoned by the official for questioning. Back to you.